My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2024 Mercedes-Benz Vito. This vehicle has done just under 18,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have 9 seats in total, all of which are black leather. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, to the left we have navigation, radio and media, and on the right we have smartphone integration, our system settings and voice control. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.